Hello my dear learners, once again welcome back to my channel English Exploration with Ishita after a short break. Do you want to speak English more fluently in daily life? If yes, then this video is for you. Today I will teach you 10 must-know daily English sentences that you can start using right now. But here's the challenge. Comment below how do you say I'm very busy in a more natural way. Let's see who gets it right. Watch till the end for the better formation of it. Let's start. Try to repeat after me to practice. Point number 1. Instead of very busy, you just have to say I'm swamped. For example, I can't talk right now. I'm swamped with work. Point number 2. Instead of I don't know, what you have to do is to say I have no idea. For example, where is the key? I have no idea. Point number 3. Instead of I'm very tired, you just have to say I'm exhausted. For example, after work, I'm completely exhausted. I am very tired means I'm exhausted. Point number 4. Instead of it's easy, you have to say it's a piece of cake. For example, this taste is a piece of cake. Point number 5. Instead of I understand, you have to say got it. For example, thanks for explaining, I got it. Did you understand? Next point is instead of let's meet later, what you have to say let's catch up later. For example, I am busy now, but let's catch up later. Point number 7. Instead of I'm waiting, you have to say I am hanging around. For example, I am hanging around at the cafe. Point number 8. Instead of calm down, what you have to do is to say take it easy. You have to say take it easy. For example, it's okay, take it easy. Now, point number 9. Instead of I agree with you, you have to say you are absolutely right. For example, this is the best option. You are absolutely right. Now, it's time for point number 10. Instead of I'll think about it, you have to say I'll sleep on it. For example, I'm not sure yet. I will sleep on it. Alright? So, now it's time for me to ask you a question. Now it's your turn. Comment below and use any of these sentences in a real example. For example, tell me, what do you say when you are very tired? If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more daily English lessons. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss a video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends. See you again. Bye bye.